Motor start delta starting system. Circuit breaker 52. '88 magnetic conductor, 88 1 magnetic conductor for delta connection, 6 magnetic conductor for star connection. Magnetic conductor main line, magnetic conductor coil line, magnetic conductor normally open contact, overload relay main line, overload relay control line normally close. Timer for time relay to convert from star connection to del connection. Transformer primary and secondary coil. Fuse in the control line for protection. Here is our start delta starting circuit drawing. Next we will see how the current goes through the cable. When the circuit breaker 52 is switched on, electrical power will be supplied to the transformer and the white lamp will be lighted up. Transformer energized. Current comes and wait up to normally open start button. White light glow. To start the motor, push button 3C is pressed and contactor coil 4X is energized. This will close normally open contact 4X in the transformer primary circuit and energizing contactor coil 6. In the meantime, normally open contact 4X in the transformer secondary circuit will also close, thus energizing time delay contactor coil 19T. When contactor coil 6 is energized, main contacts 6 in the main motor circuit will close to form the star connection. Normally open auxiliary contact 6 will also close, thus energizing contactor coil 88. Normally closed contact 6 will open to act as an electrical interlock, preventing contactor coil 88-1 from being energized. When contactor coil 88 is energized, main contacts 88 in the main motor circuit will close and the motor begins to run in star connection. Normally open auxiliary contact 88 will also close, acting as a holding contact. Star connection formed and motor start rotating. After the preset time delay, normally closed contact 19T will open, thus de-energizing contactor coil 6. This causes the star connections to open and the normally closed contact 6 to close back. Normally open contact 19T will closed. When contactor coil 88-1 is energized, it will close the main motor circuit contacts 88, thus the motor now runs in the delta connection. Holding contact 88-1 will also close. Normally open auxiliary contact 88-1 closes to light up green lamp. Normally closed contact 88-1 will open to prevent contactor coil 6 from energizing, thus acting as an electrical interlock. Motor green light turned on. Motor now running in delta connection. To stop the motor, depress push button 3O. Protective devices installed in the circuit are thermal overload relay 51 and fuses. Motor stopped.